Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm excited once again to have you guys on my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make $500 and more from selling ebook. So whether you're in Nigeria or you're in any part of the world, these strategies I'm going to be sharing with you will work for you, right? So for those of you who are coming across this channel for the first time, this is Creative Entrepreneur channel where we share information on how you can make money online. And if you're looking for ways in which you can get work from home opportunities, I also share information on work from home opportunities. I also share strategies that will help you in building your business, all right? So if you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button, turn off the notification bell so that once I drop videos like this that you are watching right now, you'll get value from this, all right? So let me head right on how you can get started from selling ebooks. So kindly watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out on the steps that I'm going to be sharing with you on how you can make money online, all right? So let me head over to my chart. So for those of you who are meeting these charts for the first time, this is ChatGPT, and it's an AI tool that is going to help you to make a lot of money, all right? So you need to take advantage of this AI tool, even once you don't have an experience on doing that, all right? So the first thing you need to know is that before you can create an ebook, you need to know the topic that resonates around what people are constantly searching for, right? So it's very, very, very easy for you to get that. So I went to charts. I don't want this video to be long, so let me just share with you. I went to the charts board and asked, what are the trending topics that can help me make money from selling ebook online, all right? So you can see it said health and wellness, personal finance and investments, remote work and productivity, personal development, romance and erotica, digital marketing and online business, DIY and crafts, sustainable living, technology and programming, educational resources. So once you create an ebook concerning all these topics I listed here, you are definitely going to make a lot of money online, all right? Because it resonates around what people are constantly searching for, all right? So how do you get started? So I move forward and typed, create an ebook on health and wellness that I can publish and make money from it. So that was the question, and it brought out this ebook title ideas. It said choose one or suggest your own. So I want us to relate. Kindly go to the comment section and tell me, out of these three topics, you think that once you publish this book, you're going to make a lot of money. So I am going to select the one I think that is going to help us to make a lot of money. But let me read the first one. It said, the ultimate guide to holistic health, achieve wellness naturally. Well, it's a good topic. The second one is what? Revitalize your life, a complete wellness blueprint. All right, it's kind of okay. The third one is mind, body, and soul, the science of long lasting health. So don't forget to go to the comment section and type which topic do you think will make us money, all right? But for me, I'm going to select the third one, mind, body, and soul, the science of lasting health. So many people want to know how they can live long. So I think this third one will resonate around what people will buy, all right? So these are the proposed outline, which is why health and wellness matters, how small lifestyle changes lead to big results, who this book is for and what they will gain. So you can see it has outlined the chapters. So I won't want to read everything. So these are the chapters that are outlined in this book, all right? So it's a complete book. So what are we to do once you have got this book? You are going to take a time and edit it, and anything you need to add, you need to remove, you kindly do that, and it's now your intellectual property, all right? So you have access to post it and make sales, all right? So I now went to chat to say create a ebook cover on this topic, and this is what he brought out. They said the ultimate guide to holistic health, achieve wellness naturally. So this is the ebook cover that is kind of nice, and ChatGPT brought this ebook cover. So you can decide to even go to your Canva and create an ebook cover that it's even more beneficial than this one. All right. And once you do that, you can now put your name to show that you are the author of this book. All right. So it's so easy for you to make. And just like I said, it's a proven method that can work for anyone, regardless of your what location, tribe, religion, or anything. All right. So you just come over to your chatbot, type what you want, and once you get the ebook, we now go over to where you are going to sell. So let's head over on where we are going to what sell this book. All right, because we are not putting it inside our pads or our computers. We want to make money out of selling ebook. All right, so let's head over right on to where we are going to sell it. And I'm going to the website I'm going to is the first one is Gumroad. So Gumroad will help you to what make a lot of money from selling ebooks. So Gumroad is a marketplace where individuals can sell their digital products. So you can see examples of digital products. You can see this book on Divinity 36, Ticker Red, Star Song Book 1. So you can see it's sold for $5. Notion bundle, Notion productivity bundle, you can see $149. So you can see other authors that have published their book over here. So all you need is what, once you get the book from Chats, you come over to Gumroad, you sign up, and you can sell an ebook over here for free. So all what you need is to set up your payment system and start making money from selling ebook without having a prior experience, and which is a very good way to make money. All right, just like I said, well, I'm going to show you how many let's do a research how many let's say people let's say buy ebook on a daily basis. So let's see, let's check the statistics. Let's go. Okay, let's use the chatbot. It will bring out what we want. So let's copy this so that we'll see it ourselves. I want this video to be interactive so that we can benefit from it. All right, so how many people buy ebook on a daily basis? So let's see. So based on the available data, the number of ebooks sold daily varies depending on the source and the time period considered. Here's a summary of findings. In 2020, data approximately 191 million ebooks were sold globally in the year 2020. Can you see that? In 2022, we have 1.95 billion in revenue, marketing on 8.5 decreased compared to 2021. So you can see 2020 and 2022 data, and it's still counting. So that means there's a possibility that you can make a lot of money from selling ebook. All right, so I just want to put this out so that you can know that there's possibility for you to make money. All right, so let's head right on. The next one is available for Nigeria and is seller. So on seller, you have opportunity to sell digital product. All right, so let me open it up. So this is how the website look like. You need to sign up in order to have access to this website. So you are going to click on create one for free. So once you create an account over here, you have access to this website, and the necessary information needed is your name to show that you are the one applying to post on this website, your email address, so that once they want to send valuable information, maybe you just made a sale and stuff, you are going to have access to that. Then you create a password that will give you access to logging in and logging out from this website. All right, so seller is available for Nigerians. You have opportunity to take advantage of this opportunity from selling ebooks and making money. Many people have made money from selling digital product. It is proven. So what do you need get those ebook from chats and come over to these platforms I listed in this video, and you have opportunity to sell this ebook and make a lot of money. If you've gotten value from this video, don't forget to give this video a like, share this video with your friends, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly click the subscription button, turn off the notification bell so that you will not miss out on my money making hacks. All right, thank you guys for staying through to the very end.